unboxing and assembling my new telescope.
Okay, so let's start unboxing.
Let's get into the video.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna do this in the floor.
Yes. So, okay, I get the scissor.
Okay.
Take the scissor.
Ow. Okay. Ow. Okay.
So,
White boxes.
yes, white boxes.
Alright, let's see what's
So
in it.
let's take all.
Take this thing. Okay, we'll put it in.
Take it here.
Okay.
And
This is the manual. Everybody needs the manual. Maybe
empty box.
the manual here.
And we have.
That's the same.
Let's see what is inside later. Okay, so I think there is some lenses. Slowly. And
Actually,
yes,
the body.
this is the body of the telescope.
And this is just a box.
Okay.
Manual here.
Okay, get your manual and read it.
We know we're not gonna do that. We're gonna
I
restart.
will remove it first. And okay, so let's see what is in the box.
Alright, you open that box. I'll open the. Okay, you know I'm not gonna open that. Let me.
Okay, I think this will be the last part. So we keep it aside.
I will open this one.
I think first we have to open.
I'll open this.
thing. Okay, be careful, be careful.
Okay, I'm gonna be careful here. This is. Okay.
Okay, let's do with this one. This is, I think, the one we need first.
Okay, that's my.
Okay, so
Yes,
these
that's
are
the.
the legs tripod. I will take it.
This thing.
Okay, so another leg.
Ah! It's out of its bag. It's not properly packaged into this small bag. Okay,
Okay, so
let's do this. So
right.
this is the.
This is the yoke, neck of the. Okay, wait. This is very delicate. I will open it.
Alright, I'll just meet the box there inside the big box, and I missed the spot. Can you put in that? Okay. And put this scissor away.
Okay, so here we have quite many parts. This goes with the tripod. Okay, so take slowly those pieces, a tray. Okay, these are the lenses, some tools, slowly. There are some lenses. And last piece. Okay. So let's go to the assemble part. Okay, so first we will take these things.
Adjustable.
Yes. So we take it out. And we just need to tight it first.
Remains.
Okay.
Back.
And I think this part. Don't throw these. And this part.
What is this part? Screw?
Plate.
Screw! Okay, then.
So here we have some screws.
Alright, let me just read the manual, see if we understand it. Hope it's not made from China because the manual of China is Chinese language.
Okay, so what we need to do first is set up the tripod. Okay, now you are going to help me. This 3, I guess. Here. And this type of screw. Yes. Let's go from here.
Are you sure that's where you put it?
Yes. And here. Okay, hold the other side. Okay, hold it. Nice. Yeah, it's like a tripod, yes.
Like a tripod, yeah.
And this is a tray for the lenses and accessories.
I didn't know we need like. I always thought that. What part is that? Show us the part.
Okay. So next we need to also unpack. Oops.
What is that?
The other pieces we just need to get out.
That flashlight.
Okay, this is Barlow lens.
What?
Yes,
Can you say that name again?
Barlow lens.
Not lawless.
And we have, okay, I think this is, okay, another Barlow lens.
Lawless. Funny name to say, but Lawless.
And this is,
Another but Lawless.
no, I think, no, this is the finder scope.
The scope.
Yes.
The finder scope.
Finder scope. But it's correct. Okay, so now we have to go to the main body. So here is our main part. Okay,
It's right.
so I think now we need to stand up.
Okay. Okay, then we cannot slide that in. Okay. There you go.
Oh, we can skip the right. Okay, no, yes, I need that one.
Hold up, I'm gonna let it get it out. Make it. Okay. Okay, you get it. Okay, let me try to. Just have to screw it in. You have to.
Okay, so this is where we place is wrong. Hold this one.
This thing? Okay.
Just the other side. Oh, not that one, not that one. Hold it, hold it. This is the screw, the bigger one.
Okay.
So it goes here.
Yeah, this is so scary. It feels like it's gonna fall.
Other side. Okay, and this is the adjustment rod. Oops, looks like again we make a wrong decision. Oh, correct.
Okay, there's no hole in
That
it.
is- that is correct, I guess.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's how we do it. Okay, bent.
And
Now it's
one
bending.
more here. No, this is to adjust. So this one will adjust, and we have another one part to fix it.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah. Is that the actual lens?
No, there is some more lenses, and it's like this, really tight from the side, and this will go here.
Hey.
And last part is
The lenses.
yes.
Why the three?
We have different size of lenses, so each lens has different magnifications.
Okay.
And the first one,
So how long
so
will it?
here there
magnify
is 20 millimeter lens.
Okay, how about this other these
One
two?
by one.
Right, 20 millimeters. Put it back in the.
Keep it here.
Okay.
And
Next is
there is another one. This is
that's 20 millimeters. This thing. How about that?
12 millimeters.
Hold on, let me see.
Okay, just later.
I have good eyes. I want to see it because I have good eyes.
Okay, and one more last.
Just let me just see. I want to see.
So here is
It's 6 meters.
6 millimeters.
6 millimeters. So that's the shortest view.
Okay, and
Wait,
there's
there's one
another
more
little.
here. Wait a
Okay.
minute, is that
So
another
this
lens
one
too?
is called moon filter.
Wait, is that for like the moon?
Yeah, because
To-
we cannot directly use this one to watch moon or sun. So we need to use this kind of filter. So it will lower the brightness. So that is another one. So and
Okay.
example, so this is going to go here. So basically we
That-
just only
What did you put in there? Is that the 6 or 12?
like this, and then we can already adjust. You won't see anything because still our
There's that
Side
thing
is-
there.
close.
That where you're supposed to.
Yes, and you will see from here we have to direct this
Okay.
part to object.
I cannot see anything yet.
So still we need to set it to a place where we can see moon or star or any object. So since it's not visible, clear, we have to find it another day. So this is actually our assembly. So where's the other flip part? I think some of the other part is missing here. You know this one.
What's that?
Here we have Barlow lens. The Barlow lens normally used for magnifying the view. So like example, if you are looking at a moon, so you can change these ones and then make your like these. You change those and you can zoom more closer the object. So this is 3 times and this is 1.5 times. So whatever the lenses we use from the Barlow lens, it will magnify 2 times, 3 times, so like that. So this is the setup of our telescope. So the next is we need to go to the moon.
Yeah, we have to try to get to the moon. And
Yes.
right
Right now we don't have any clear vision to the moon.
Yeah.
We will come back with you guys on next time with using this our new telescope.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have already assembled the telescope. So there are some movements that you can move around.
Yeah, you can do left and right.
Yes, and also here you can move it up and down. Yes, you can know it where you want to direct, especially to the object like that, and you can type it once you find the proper object, and then
Stuck
you can
like
also
this.
yes, you can also change. So the height still we can adjust,
If you're 6 footer, the maximum.
and this is quite good. So yeah, this is the finder scope. So you first look at this one and then find the direction and the object, and then you see through here. Okay, so since it's already night and we cannot really get any clear view outside because it's cloudy and dark, so we will come up with the next video.
Yeah.
We just need to find another way to get video to this one or camera to this one. So hope you guys enjoy the
video.
our assembly
Yeah.
video, and
Yeah.
please leave your comments.
Leave your comments. Don't feel free to share with a friend.
Yes,
And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, smash that notification bell. And we will see you in our next video.
next video. Bye guys.